Today, we'll explore the routine activity theory, a framework explaining how everyday routines and opportunities influence crimes. And I am your presenter, Sinoy Andrei, this Criminology to Bravo. Today, I'm going to share what is routine activity theory. Routine activity theory takes a different approach to understanding crime. Instead of solely focusing on why an individual commits crimes, routine activity theory examines the circumstances surrounding crime events. It posits that everyday activities in routine creates opportunities for crime. In essence, routine activity theory argues that
This unique perspective has significantly impacted
crime research, leading to valuable insights for predicting crime patterns and developing effective crime prevention strategies. Routine activity theory traces its origin to the work of two prominent criminologists. He is Lawrence E. Cohen and Marcus Felson. Their groundbreaking work, Social Change and Crime Rates Trends, a routine activity theory approach on 1979 laid the foundation for this influential theory. Cohen and Felson were inspired by the opportunity theory of crime, which emphasized the role of situational factors in crime occurrence. They challenged the notion that crime is solely driven by individual factors like poverty or social disorganization. Instead, they argued that crime emerged from the interaction of specific elements present in the environment. In routine activity theory, there's a three key elements, which is crime triangle, a motivated offender, a suitable target, the absence of capable guardian. And now let's discuss first a motivated offender. Who are the motivated offender? Motivated offenders are individuals who possess both the capacity and the willingness to commit crime. Routine activity theory doesn't seek to explain the why behind an offender's motivation. Instead, it focuses on the factors that influence their capacity to act on their desire. For example, consider the heightened rates of rape for young women who drink to excess in bars and frat houses, while the motivation for sexual assault might be complex. Routine activity theory emphasizes and allows attackers to rationalize their actions by viewing intoxication as sign of immorality. In this scenario, the offender capacity to commit the crime is increased due to the perceived vulnerability of the target. And now let's tackle suitable targets. What makes a target suitable? A suitable target in the context of routine activity theory can be either a person or property. The selection of a target is influenced by both the situational context and the offender intention. For example, a thief might be target a house left unattended during the day, while a mugger might choose a secluded alleyway. There may be can easily approach potential victim. The offender motivation and the specific crime they intend to commit will shape their target selection. To assess the suitable target, criminologists use a viva actinum. Value means the real or perceived value of the target to the offender. This could be monetary value, symbolic value, or even emotional value. I means inertia, the target physical characteristics such as size, weight, or mobility that might make it difficult to steal or move. V means visibility, how easily the target can be seen by the offender. A visible target is more likely to be chosen. A is for access, how it is for the offender to get the target. A target that is easily accessible is more likely to be target. By understanding the factors that contribute to target suitability, we can better understand why certain crimes occur in specific locations and how to make targets less attractive to the offenders. In the last one, let's discuss absence of capable guardians, the importance of guardianships. Capable guardians are individuals or objects that deter criminal activity by their mere presence. They act as a barrier between motivated offender and suitable targets, reducing the likelihood of crime. Guardianship can be both formal and informal. Formal guardianship. This includes law enforcement officer, security personnel, and the other official authorities. Their presence acts as strong deterrent as offenders are aware of the potential for immediate consequences. And second one is informal guardianship. This encompasses in community members, neighbors, and even pets. A watchful eye, a well-lit street, or a friendly presence can discourage crime by creating a sense of awareness and discouraging anonymity. Community watch group are a prime example of informal guardianship. Non-human objects can also play a crucial role in guardianship. First, security cameras. These devices provide constant surveillance, deterring crime and aiding in investigation. Second, fence. Physical barriers like fence can restrict access to property, making it more difficult for offenders to approach. Third is alarm. Bulgar alarm and other security systems alert potential victims and authorities, deterring crime and increasing the chance of apprehension. The presence of capable guardians, both human and non-human, is critical factors in reducing crime opportunities and creating a safer environment. Let's proceed to the discussion of the related theories or connecting the dots. This slide delves into the interconnectedness of various criminological theories, exploring how they contribute to the comprehensive understanding of criminal behavior. It especially highlights lifestyle theory and environmental criminology, showcasing their key concepts and prominent figures. The first related theory is the lifestyle theory. It possesses that individual's choice and routine influence their likelihood and becoming crime victims. It argues that certain lifestyle and characterized by high-risk activities or exposure to criminal environments increase the probability of victimization. This theory emphasizes the role of individual choices in shaping vulnerability to crime. Let's discuss the sub-theories or key concept of routine activity theory. First is exposure, the extent to which individuals engage in activities that increase their contact with potential offenders. Next is proximity, the physical distance between individuals, activities, and potential offenders. Next is guardianship, the presence of protective measures on individuals that deter criminal activity. Third is attractiveness, the perceived value or desirability of potential victim or their possessions to offenders. The prominent authors of lifestyle theory is Michael Hindlang, Michael Gottfredson, James Garofalo. The second related theory in routine activity theory is environmental criminology. It focuses on the influence of physical environment on physical behavior. It examines how aspects of built environments such as street design, lighting, and the presence of security measures can create opportunities for crime or deter criminal activity. Here are some theories or key concepts of environmental criminology. First is crime prevention through environmental designs, a strategy that aims to reduce crime by modifying the physical environment to make it less attractive to offenders. Second is broken windows theory. This theory argues that visible signs of crime and disorders such as broken window or graffiti can create an environment that encourages further criminal activity. Next is rational choice theory. This theory suggests that individuals make rational decisions based on weighing the costs and benefits of their actions. Environmental criminology applies this principle to understand how offenders choose crime locations based on factors like accessibility, visibility, and potential for escape. The prominent authors of environmental criminology is C. Ray Jeffrey, a pioneer in the field. Jeffrey Jaworski, crime prevention through environmental design. Next is Paul and Patricia Brantingham. This scholar made significant contribution in environmental criminology, focusing on the spatial patterns of crime and the role of place in criminal decisions making. Next is Oscar Newman. Oscar Newman's work on defensible space emphasized the importance of designing environments that promote natural surveillance and territoriality, thereby deterring crime. And for the summary or key takeaways from routine activity theory, offers powerful framework for understanding crime patterns. It emphasizes the convergence of three case elements. First is motivated offender. It is individuals who are willing and able to commit crimes. Second is suitable target, objects or individuals that are vulnerable and attractive to offenders. Third and last one is absence of capable guardians. It is a lack of effective deterrence such as security measures, surveillance, or social control. Routine activity theory highlights the critical role of social and environmental factors in shaping crime rates. As societal structures and routine involve, so too do opportunity for crimes. This theory underscores the importance of crime prevention strategies that address the ability of suitable targets in the absence of capable guardians. By understanding the interplay of these factors, routine activity theory provides valuable insights for analyzing crime trends, developing effective prevention programs, and shaping public policy to reduce crime and enhance community safety. Here are my personal insight in routine activity theory. First is a framework for critical thinking. Routine activity theory has taught me to analyze situations by considering the interplay of motivated offenders, suitable targets, and the presence of absence of capable guardians. Second is understanding crime patterns. Routine activity theory helps me understand why certain crimes occur in certain places and certain times. Third is empowering community action. Routine activity theory highlights the crucial role of community involvement in crime prevention. Routine activity theory has a conclusion, the enduring value of routine activity, a framework for safer communities. Routine activity theory provides a powerful lens for understanding the complex interplay of factors that contribute to crime. It emphasizes the convergence of motivated offenders, suitable targets, and the absence of capable guardians, offering a practical framework for developing effective crime prevention strategies. Routine activity theory helps relevance for criminology students and future law enforcement. First is foundation for understanding crime. Routine activity theory is a fundamental theory in criminology, providing a framework for understanding crime patterns and developing effective prevention strategies. And the second one is informed decision making. For future law enforcement personnel, routine activity theory offers valuable insights into the factors that contribute to crime. Remember, routine activity theory isn't just a theoretical concept, it's a practical tool that empowers us to understand the world around us and take action to promote safety. Thank you so much for your time. We sincerely appreciate your attention and participation today. We hope this presentation has provided you with a deeper understanding of routine activity theory and its practical application. Thank you again for joining us.